Arrange the following physical quantities constants in ascending order of the dimensions in length. Now, option A, coefficient of viscosity. Now, viscous force experienced by a spherical body when under motion in a fluid is given by F equal to 6 pi neta r v, where F is the viscous force experienced by the spherical body, 6 pi is a dimensionless constant, eta is the coefficient of viscosity, r is the radius of the sphere, and v is the velocity of the sphere. Then I can write eta equal to F by 6 pi rv. B, universal gravitational constant. Now, universal gravitational constant G equal to F r square by m1 m2, where F is the attractive force between 2 point masses, r is the distance between 2 point masses, and m1 m2 are the point masses. Next, option C is Planck's constant. Planck's constant H should be equal to E by nu, where nu is the frequency of electromagnetic wave and E is the energy of a photon of given electromagnetic wave. And D, electric capacitor. Now, potential energy stored by a parallel plate capacitor is given as U equal to half Q square by C, where U is the potential energy, 1 by 2 is a dimensionless constant, Q is the charge on the capacitor plates, and C is the capacitance of the given capacitor. Then I can write C equal to Q square by 2U. Now, if we write dimensional formulas for all the given quantities, dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity eta should be equal to dimensional formula of F by dimensional formula of R into V, which is equal to mL t to the power of minus 2 by L into L t to the power of minus 1, which is equal to mL to the power of minus 1 t to the power of minus 1. A dimensional formula for universal gravitational constant G is equal to dimensional formula of F r square by dimensional formula of m1 m2, which is equal to m L t to the power of minus 2 into L square by m square, which is equal to m to the power of minus 1 L to the power of 3 t to the power of minus 2. Now, dimensional formula for Planck's constant H equal to dimensional formula of E by dimensional formula of nu, where E is mL square t to the power of minus 2 by t to the power of minus 1 is equal to mL square t to the power of minus 1. And finally, dimensional formula of capacitance C is equal to dimensional formula of Q square by dimensional formula of U, potential energy, which is equal to A T whole square by m L square t to the power of minus 2, which is equal to m to the power of minus 1 L to the power of minus 2 t to the power of 4 and e to the power of 2. Now, power of length L is, in the coefficient of viscosity, it is minus 1, and in acceleration due to gravity 3, and in Planck's constant is 2, and in capacitance it is minus 2. Now, if we arrange them in ascending order, then it should be equal to minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then it should be option D comma A comma C comma B. So the right answer for the given question is option 1.